In this tutorial, we will show you how to edit the interface of Spaceland. First, let's talk about how we can edit the camera perspective. To edit camera, hit the Edit Camera button. Pinch out or scroll down on the trackpad to zoom in. Pinch in or scroll up on the trackpad to zoom out. To move the entire terrain, click on the terrain and drag it around Spaceland. To three-dimensionally alter the camera, right-click and drag. If you're using a Mac, this can be done by using a two-finger click and drag. You can always reset the camera by selecting the Reset Camera button right above Spaceland. To lock the camera view, select the Lock Camera button right next to the Reset Camera button. It is important to lock the camera, otherwise it will be difficult to scroll through the Starlogo Nova page. Now we will explore widgets. First, click on the Edit Interface button. This will put you into the Edit Interface mode, during which various widgets in Spaceland can be created, deleted, resized, and moved. Clicking on a widget while in Edit Interface mode will allow you to edit its features. While in Edit Interface mode, you may either create a new widget or clear all widgets. You will see 7 options available in the Create Widget drop-down menu: Push button, Toggle button, Label, Data box, Slider, Table, and Line graph. Let's start with the first option, Push buttons. Push buttons execute the instructions within the hook of a when pushed block once upon the button press. The name of a push button can be changed by selecting it while in Edit Interface mode. You can move the push button by clicking and dragging it. This is true for all created widgets. You'll see if we click the Toggle button that we can toggle it to either on or off. While the Toggle button is toggled on, any blocks in the hook of a while toggled block will be continuously executed until the button is toggled to off. To edit the name of a toggle button, click on it while in the Edit Interface mode. The next type of widget is the label. Labels display whatever value is assigned to them in the block space or in Edit Interface mode as text within the label. Below labels are data boxes. Data boxes are similar to labels, however, data boxes have titles which can be assigned in Edit Interface mode. Next up are sliders. Sliders display a title that can be assigned to them in the block space or in Edit Interface mode. By default, the slider starts at 5, between minimum value 1 and maximum value 10. You can edit the minimum, maximum, and starting value of this slider by selecting it while in Edit Interface mode. The selected value of the slider can be used in the block space to collect input. Below the slider in the drop-down menu are our final 2 options, Table and Line graph. These are actually the same type of widget with 2 different viewing modes. Because these widgets are fairly complicated on their own, with the way that they work, they will be covered later on in another tutorial. To clear all widgets from Spaceland, hit the Clear All button to the right of the Create Widget button. Confirm yes. To lock the interface once you're done modifying it, hit the Lock Interface button.